Hi Art Foundations. I'm going to show you how to draw out your MegaBlok for your asynchronous work. If you remember in class on Friday, or the last time we met, we went through some color studies together. And for your asynchronous work, you are choosing one to do on your own. So I'll just go over how to draw the basic form of your MegaBlok if you forgot. All right, I'm just gonna zoom here. All right, and if you remember, the first thing that we need to do is draw the top, which is referred to as an ellipse. It's like a squished oval. All right, and then if this was an angle this way, it'd be a 45-degree angle. If this was an angle this way, it'd be a 135-degree angle. All right, and then we make that dog bowl shape. Got to keep in mind that this part of the nubbin, or the stud as it's called, or this part of the MegaBlok, this edge is going to be parallel to this, which is going to be parallel to this. All right, and then we drop down the sides about an inch or so. And fun fact, from knuckle to knuckle is about an inch. You can even use that as a unit of measurement. And then we're going to connect those. And again, this should be parallel to this, should be parallel to this. So all of these curves should be going in the same direction. All right, now in the middle here, you're just going to make maybe a little bit of like a 1/4 of an inch jump. I'm going to get that corner in here. And then I'm going to throw this line out in this direction. And this should, and go the other way. This should look like a really wide Y. All right, and then in the middle, you're gonna drop that down, maybe about 2 inches or so. And then you're gonna make a line going this way. So it's gonna be at an angle, and I showed you this trick in class, where you can take a straight edge. I'm just using a notebook. I see you trying. That angle. And then if you drop it down, you're gonna keep that angle. Okay, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. All right. Now what I can do is use a straight edge to draw a straight line down. Now keep this in mind, because you might kind of like skew whatever you're using as a straight edge, or if you're doing this freehand, that's perfectly fine. So this line is straight up and down. This line should be straight up and down. So this is going to be parallel to this, which is going to be parallel to this. All right. This is a little wonky here. All right. All right, and then I'm gonna erase kind of like my extra little lines like that. All right, and now what I can do is just connect them there. All right, and you have yourself a MegaBlok. Woo-hoo. If you also remember, after you draw it, I had you lightly erase it so you could get these ghost lines. So it wasn't like heavily like graphite-y, but at the same time, you could still see the edges that you made. All right, now you are ready to start working with your color pencils and making a study of it. I also made a video, just like a process video, on how I did this orange one. It's about 15 minutes long because I did document kind of like the full process. Just remember to show your work. If you don't need that video, you don't need to watch it. You may have taken home a green MegaBlok or a purple one. So again, just experiment. This is what our sketchbook is for, and this is what this workspace is for. Okie dokie, have fun.